Yesterday I noticed it melted a lot the day before, like the ditches on 12. Holy smokes. There was way less. There's Bebe. Is he in there? No? You see him? There he is. Yeah. She came up yesterday. She's like, is that for me? We tried, yeah. She's gonna come again.
And that's Daisy in there, right?
Hmm?
That's Daisy in there?
That's Daisy, yeah.
Yeah,
They're pretty close. She might actually be a little taller.
Daisy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think she's taller, but she's not as wide.
No. She's crossed with...
Daisy?
No. I can't remember. I have to check her chart. One of the milk breeds.
And this one is crossed with what?
She's Charlet, and I can't remember what I need to get the rest of the info on her. I need her date of birth and all that. I got everything printed for these two finally, so he's all up to date with the logs, and I have to get all of her info still. Hi. She seems pretty fond of pebbles, though.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl.
And she's friendly.
Oh yeah. She handles quite nice.
Yeah. You're a good girl, Whisper.
She's pretty though. She is pale.
Yeah.
I can tell she's got that char in her. Poor friggin' ears, eh?
Gives her character.
Yeah.
It's like a
Yeah. Little piece ears. They're like pretty uniform.
Yeah. She probably ripped it out the exact same spot. It probably wasn't another cow. It was probably got hooked on something.
Oh yeah, yeah.
For it to be
Like on a
exactly
fence
the
or something.
same. Yeah. Darla, I see you. That wind's chilly.
Yeah, it's a little brisk. It's just humid, like you said. What's up, sweetie?
It's gonna like you. Come when you go.
Maybe up, leave the poop. Yeah, he's just such a great eater.
The nipples, we've never had a cow that drinks this long.
No,
Like
quick.
the nipples are clean, like when you go to wash them.
Yeah,
it's
they're
like
not gooped up. No,
gooped up all the way up. Just a,
doesn't yank them off.
no.
I yanked it out the other day. It was almost done, but like when I can't remember what it was. Oh, and Bam Bam was trying to push him, so I pulled it, and the nipple came off, but it didn't really spill anything, and I popped it back on and finished it. But it's because he had a good latch. But as soon as he's done, like he's done. You know, like he lets go. What the hell? And her, I think she's gonna grow some horns. Moonshine? I think so. I feel like I can see two little, well, like not nubs yet, but like little high spots in her hair. There we go. Yeah. I can't. Where's that? Yeah, you see? There's two little hair floofs on each side. So I don't know, she might get a little rack on her yet. Oh, good yawn.
No, like her fur is not long like the Highland though, like the...
No, it's not as long. She is longer
Fluffier
than these two, yeah.
He's so cute.
Yeah, I sure think Honey's red. Which would be nice. We'll have a great Well, calf anytime now. It's plenty warm. Got the layer sections cleaned out yesterday. Picked up this tote of shavings, which is awesome. A lot cheaper than the bales that you get at Farm Supply. And way more. This was pretty wet in here. We had flooded the other night. It was cold. So as you can see, it's absorbed lots. I might actually throw some more shavings down in here today just to actually give them a nice drier coat. It's not too bad in there, but yeah. Got all the nursery pens cleaned. These ladies cleaned. Look at that poop in here already, girls. Excuse me. I need to swing this open. So much nicer. My goodness. Good girls. It's pretty clean. Yeah, I think we might have to add a little more. This has absorbed all that moisture.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah. Stop. Pardon? Okay. Baby. What are you for?
The tote that we...
This one or that one? Yeah. Spent, so they're gonna get a little more ration this morning, and then we're gonna go pick up some spent. Nice, they're all sleeping still. Just get a nice line here. There you go. Come on, Mama. There you are. Oh, they feed so nice when you can actually feed without them pushing around. Boy, oh boy. Good piggies. Hey girls, good piggies. Oh, it'll be nice once this melts a bit more. We can clean up all the straw, the little bits of twine, and not a huge mess, but still a mess. Georgie's good for a while with 1,000 pounds of hay in there. Oh, and where do you figure this bugger went? Where were you? Hey. Get that. And the bunny.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, really. A little bit of a nuisance to tie it. There you go. Tight. There we go. Girls, get out of there. Yeah, much cleaner, eh? Much better.
So much better.
This beats the hell out of straw.
Yeah.
No, the rest of it in there?
Yeah. They push it around.
Yeah, you can bathe around. Good. Good girls. This thing is still brimming full. Like, what the hell? It's brimmed full. Like, it's leaking right here, just off the edge, barely. But you see that? Like, we shouldn't be leaking here. What the fuck's going on? Don't need more moisture in here.
If we were to put something under there to catch the moisture, they would
Oh,
just
they'll
move
just
it in.
topple it, yeah.
Should I add more shavings to that side, or they're good for now?
I think they're good on that side. This bucket's shot. I just want to
I don't know if it is or not.
Okay, I
Is
just
there
want
water in it?
to. No. I just want to empty this and maybe. Yeah. Like it shouldn't be leaking like that.
Let me take the bucket through the bucket.
Sure. What are we looking at here? Still filling. I don't know if we got a bad O-ring in there. Should weigh itself out here.
Beautiful right here.
Oh, okay. I'll leave it for feed or something then. Hasn't slowed down yet.
Pardon?
Hasn't slowed down. Like it is slowing down, but it's not off yet.
There's something that needs to be tightened.
Well, no, it'd be like an O-ring that burst maybe. If it froze or something.
Can you change the O-ring?
Yeah, I just have to take this out and open it right up. Like it's off now. It's cut.
But it's full, hey?
It's pretty full. It's less than it was. I just don't know if it's still leaking or not. Like that side seems fine. Hard to say. Let's keep an eye on it.
The only thing that's nice with the straw is in the nesting boxes. The
Oh,
shavings are nice, but they
kick them out.
they jump out and a whole bunch comes out.